United in contrast, a tale of two hearts. Once upon a time, in a land where the sun kisses the sea, lived two souls as different as night and day. Mia was a painter, her world awash with colors and dreams, while Alex was a mathematician, living in a realm of logic and numbers. Their paths crossed in the most unexpected way, a mix-up at a coffee shop over a cup with the scribble "For the Dreamer." Mia's canvas was a riot of hues, her brushstrokes telling tales of wild meadows and stormy skies. Alex, on the other hand, found beauty in the clarity of equations, the elegance of a perfectly solved problem. To him, the world was a series of patterns and predictable sequences, while Mia thrived in chaos and spontaneity. Their differences were apparent, yet something magnetic drew them together. They embarked on a journey of discovery, not just of each other but also of themselves. Mia showed Alex the colors he had never imagined, and Alex introduced Mia to the symphony of symmetry. As their love story unfolded, they realized that their differences were not hurdles, but the very essence of their connection. Mia's vibrant imagination added depth to Alex's structured life, and Alex's steady presence provided a safe harbor for Mia's wandering spirit. They celebrated their differences with a dance, a beautiful waltz of contrasts. Mia's laughter filled the air as Alex spun her around, her dress a whirl of colors against the steady rhythm of his steps. They learned that love is not about changing each other, but about growing together, like two distinct trees whose branches intertwine to reach greater heights. Their relationship became a testament to the power of embracing diversity. They understood that it was not about one being the shadow or the other the light, but about both being parts of a greater whole. Their love was a bridge across the chasm of disparity, a reminder that the heart knows no boundaries. In a world that often seeks to divide, Mia and Alex stood united, their love a beacon of hope. They showed that when two people come together, celebrating their unique qualities, they create a tapestry richer and more intricate than any single thread alone could weave. And so, let their story inspire us all to look beyond the surface, to find strength in our differences, and to remember that in the grand mosaic of love, every piece has its place.